Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bubble Acne Treatment Kit. First, begin by cleansing your face with a mild, pH-balanced cleanser. This removes dirt and oil, preparing your skin for optimal treatment absorption. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel, avoiding any harsh rubbing. Always ensure your hands are thoroughly washed before touching your face or the product. Next, dispense a small, even layer of the bubble mask onto your fingertips. Apply this layer evenly across your entire face, being careful to avoid the delicate eye and mouth areas. You'll notice the mask beginning to bubble and foam within seconds. Let it work its magic for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate deeply. After the bubbling action, gently massage the foamy mask into your skin using light, circular motions. Continue this for approximately 1 minute to help exfoliate and deeply cleanse your pores. This step ensures maximum benefit from the treatment. Finally, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the mask are completely removed, leaving your skin fresh. To complete your treatment, apply a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to hydrate your skin. This helps maintain your skin's natural barrier and prevents dryness. During the day, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to protect your skin. For best results, incorporate this bubble acne treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times each week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.